Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the PlayStation.com team for support. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser and then in the address bar type in PlayStation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. First, you will be asked to choose your country. So just choose the country or region where you are located and you will end up within the homepage. If you wish, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Or you can also directly click on the support option at the top. Then click on support once again. And now you will see various different options within the support page. You can look for any problem that you are facing in order to find the step-by-step instructions that you can follow in order to solve your issue. However, you will not find any option to contact the support team directly or create a support ticket. So in order to do this, you will manually need to send an email to the support team. In order to do this, log into your email address and then compose a new email. Now within the to section, just type in support@playstation.com, and once you have added this account, within the to section, just type in whatever subject of your issue is within the subject section. You can then describe your issue in detail within the main body of the email and also add any files as attachment if it helps your case. Finally, click on the send button and this will send your email to the support team at PlayStation.com. You will then need to wait for a few days to receive a response for your support email. That is how you can send a support email to the PlayStation.com team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.